Now I have a job. I can do anything. And I have to finish this one. Okay, finish this. Let me, let me get the screwdriver. Okay, now yes, finish here. Finish. Oh, I need a hammer. We're done now. Wait, let me go talk to my boss. Hello, boss. Hello, Andre. Where's my Where's my brother on the way? Oh, he's outside working on the truck. Okay, I'm gonna go to him. Okay, he's at the truck over there. Okay, all right. I forgot we are a working student. I need to go to school at Monday. Hello, brother. What's up, brother? When is our school scheduled today again? It's at 1 in the afternoon. Okay, I'm gonna go talk to the boss. Alright, bye. Hello, boss. Hello. Can I go to school now? Sure. Wait for episode 6 comes on Sunday. Cause I'm gonna go watch Roblox video.